Welcome to my channel, our channel, the Armsteads channel. Your girl driving or whatever. We just picked up a rental car where, yeah, I got this ugly ass pimple. Oh my goodness. But we just picked up a rental car, baby in the back seat, and we're going to Austin for the weekend. We're gonna do Lake Travis. I look uglier than a bitch. Heading to Port Arthur to drop our baby off. Oh, hold on. It's the life for me. It's the life. Slow mo. But stay tuned. It's gonna be lit. Lake Travis. Me and baby gonna turn up. Cause I'm getting drunk. Papa parking. Hurry up, Papa. Alright. Making love. We're just gonna park a handicap for just the one time. It's my apartment, goddamn. It's just one time. We about to go. Load up the car.
To myself like, where the hell did you go? Standing staring in the mirror like I've been there before. And I got hoes on go. Think I'm in my go. I got stripes in this shit and you can see them for sure. All my youngest see is red, but shit, they out trying to go. If it ain't a smooth sail, then we gon' rock his boat. He say he down the ride, niggas are down the float. Tasting dead presidents, no Ronald Reagan. The way I go in, they should call me the hood Terminator. Ain't no telling if that stick on me. When I rhyme behind 10, homie. Little nigga, but I'm big, homie. Cause I ain't never had no big homies. Roll up the gas, put it in the wind, and God was with him. Cause if we shot, we could've killed a kid that crazy shit. I said,
Fuck out.
I'm pull up in a eye. Big eye. 16 bad bitches.
Get my food.
16 to make 7.
Shit.
16.
My motherfucking food.
16 to make 7.
Oh, I was supposed to have it like this.
Slap bad. Get your shit out.
You
Get your shit out, man.
no.
I'm about to do that with you.
Your ass can literally use you can sit your fries in your lap. Hold on. I got fries in there that I just waste. Give me the goddamn
We
bag.
both got fries in there.
Hell no you don't. No the fuck you don't. You ain't have shit in there. Nigga.
Don't play yourself.
Sweetie. I will hurt you. Over food.
Don't play yourself.
Where you want your drink at?
Right there. That's more like.
Can you move that, sir?
That go down?
I don't know, but I'm not reaching back there to get my drink.
Well, it's only one cup holder right there anyway.
Can you move that cup?
What I'm saying is, you know.
No, I don't know. I don't know what you're saying.
You're not gonna have to,
I don't.
not gonna be able to.
I don't know what you're saying. I can't put my cup there. That's what you're saying?
Oh, this from my little sister.
No, that's mine.
Watch out.
It means something to me.
Fuck all that. Watch out.
Do I give him my goddamn?
Whoa, bro.
Don't play with me. Shit.
Goddamn. Deodorant and shit on my drip.
At least I got some on. You got some on?
Good shit, so. Smell good.
Whew.
I'll never pay for shit but one of the masks on broken ass. Yeah, that's on camera. You ain't gonna put that in there.
Who broke?
Yeah, we did enough.
Who broke?
You. Don't look for my money.
No, what my? Your money, bitch, my money.
Don't look for my money.
Who broke?
You.
Now I ain't gonna put my little stick. Little stick. I ain't broke. I got money.
It's hot in the motherfucker.
But y'all had black.
Yo.
I'm gonna edit the fuck out of this. It's gonna be a live video. You got issues.
The one you look up to a pussy, his nuts tucked in. Nah, for real. You know what I'm saying? You see how we living, man. Big bro in this bitch with me. No fake shit, nigga. Bloodline, big bro, nigga. What the fuck? Nigga over here thinking he running some shit. Man, what's the fuck wrong with you, nigga, man? Hey, we chilling, bro. Go on somewhere, we chilling. Come on. You ready? She say what you know about love. I'll tell you everything. Hey, you ready?
Yeah,
I got what you need. That's like, I ain't looking in with no nigga who ain't got his bag right. I don't wanna fuck shawty no more into her bag right. I was off the mess, don't hold a grudge on me about last night. How you claim you real when you was a bitch in your past life? I ain't linking in with no nigga who ain't got his bag right. I ain't linking in with no nigga who ain't got his cash right. But I got my jeans to make a nigga get his act right. Really about it, don't confuse me with this rap life. I got jumped up listening to bro, so fuck your advice. From fake niggas, I need my space beyond social distance. I believe I always gotta die, goodbye, good riddance. These niggas pussy like they mama went and birthed a kid. She let me fuck her on the balcony, I ain't even kidding. They see my lemonade green, they wonder what I'm sipping. I'm making moves, my pockets full, I wonder how I get it. Don't ask me questions about my moves, I'ma tell you mind your business. Curtis Jackson told me get rich or die trying to get it. We spend that money, make it fast, you better tie your tennis. This marathon relapping niggas, RIP to Nipsey. They gon' rush to show you love when a nigga kill you. And they gon' hey, don't scream that ain't straight cash on all platforms, man. Leave her, get some act right. I was off the drink, sorry I fell asleep last night. I ain't doing business with nobody without a cash price. My time ain't cheap, can't fuck around until that bag right. I don't wanna fuck shawty no more until her bag right. I was off the mess, don't hold a grudge on me about last night. How you claim you real when you was a bitch in your past life? I ain't linking in with no nigga who ain't got his bag right. I don't wanna fuck shawty no more until her bag right. I was off the mess, don't hold a grudge on me about last night. How you claim you real when you was a bitch in your past life? I ain't linking in with no nigga who ain't got his bag right.
I'm rooting for Bayern, that's all I'm saying. Me too. Alright, we're good now, we're good. I can wear a jersey out in public. What up, y'all?
You going to go?
Oh, I ain't know you